Come, let's learn how to ask questions in English. आउनुहोस् अंग्रेजीमा प्रश्न सोध्न सिकौं। प्रश्न मुख्यतः दुई प्रकारका हुन्छन्, yes no questions र WH questions। यी उदाहरणहरू हेर्नुस् त। Look at these examples. Yes no questions भन्नाले ती प्रश्नहरू हुन् जसको उत्तर हुन्छ yes or no, हो वा होइन, हुन्छ वा हुँदैन, छ वा छैन। जस्तै
Are you Nepalese?
अथवा तपाईं नेपाली हो भन्ने प्रश्नको उत्तर हुन्छ हो अथवा होइन, yes or no। र WH question को चाहिँ हो वा होइन मा उत्तर दिन मिल्दैन। WH question को उत्तरमा तपाईले उपयुक्त जानकारी दिनुपर्छ। For WH questions, you have to give relevant information. जस्तै तपाईलाई कसैले
Where do you live?
भनेर सोध्यो भने त्यसको उत्तरमा तपाईले yes अथवा no भन्नुहुन्न। तपाईले भन्नुहुन्छ I live in Viratnagar or I live in Kanchanpur। आउनुहोस् अब केही बेर विभिन्न WH क्वेशनहरूको अभ्यास गरौँ। What को अर्थ हुन्छ के। मसँग भन्नुहोस् त what। What हैन what। What's your name? What is लाई छोटकरीमा what's भनिन्छ। भन्नुहोस् त What's your name? तपाईको नाम के हो? What's your name? What do you do? तपाई के गर्नुहुन्छ? What do you do? What did you do yesterday? हिजो तपाईले के गर्नुभयो? What did you do yesterday? What have you eaten today? आज तपाईले के खानु भएको छ? What have you eaten today? Who अथवा को। Who is absent today? आज को अनुपस्थित छ? Who is absent today? Who are your favorite singers? तपाईलाई मन पर्ने गायक गायिका को हुन्? Who are your favorite singers? Who lives in this home? यो घरमा को बस्छ? Who lives in this home? Who gave you this gift? तिमलाई यो उपहार कसले दियो? Who gave you this gift? Where माने कहाँ? Where's your house? Where is लाई यसरी where's पनि भनिन्छ। Where's your house? तपाईको घर कहाँ छ? Where's your house? Where do your parents live? तिम्रा बुवाआमा कहाँ बस्नुहुन्छ? Where do your parents live? Where did you go on holiday last year? गत साल छुट्टी मनाउन कहाँ जानुभयो? Where did you go on holiday last year? Where have the children gone? बच्चाहरू कहाँ गएका छन्? Where have the children gone? When कहिले? When's your next holiday? When र is लाई जोडेर when's पनि भनिन्छ। When's your next holiday? अर्थात् तिम्रो अर्को बिदा कहिले छ? When's your birthday? तिम्रो जन्मदिन कहिले हो? When's your birthday? When did you come home? तिमी कहिले अथवा कतिखेर घर आयौ? When did you come home? When will you go back? तिमी कहिले फर्किन्छौ? When will you go back? Why अथवा किन? Why are you sad today? तिमी आज किन दुखित छौ? Why are you sad today? Why are you angry with me? तिमी मसँग किन रिसाएका छौ? Why are you angry with me? भन्नुस् त Why are you angry with me? Why do you work so hard? तिमी यति धेरै परिश्रम किन गर्छौ? Why do you work so hard? Why didn't you call me? तिमीले मलाई किन बोलाएनौ? Why didn't you call me? Whose कसको? Whose house is this? यो कसको घर हो? Whose house is this? Whose children are those? ती कसका बच्चा हुन्? Whose children are those? Whose problem is this? यो कसको समस्या हो? Whose problem is this? Whose purse is lost? कसको पर्स हराएको छ? Whose purse is lost? Which भन्नाले कुन अथवा कुन चाहिँ? Which is your book? तिम्रो किताब कुन हो? Which is your book? Which are my socks? मेरा मोजा कुन चाहिँ हुन्? Which are my socks? Which river is longer? The Karnali or the Sunkosi? कुन नदी लामो छ? कर्णाली कि सुनकोसी? Which river is longer? The Karnali or the Sunkosi? Which mountain is higher? Mount Kanchenjunga or Mount Makalu? कुन हिमाल अग्लो छ? कञ्चनजङ्घा कि मकालु? Which mountain is higher? Mount Kanchenjunga or Mount Makalu? How? कस्तो अथवा कसरी? How are you? तपाईलाई कस्तो छ? How are you? How was your trip to Chitwan? तपाईको चितवन भ्रमण कस्तो रह्यो? How was your trip to Chitwan? यो शब्दलाई हेर्नुस् त WAS was. यो was हैन है, was. How was? भन्नुस् त how was? How was your trip to Chitwan? How is this possible? यो कसरी सम्भव छ? How is this possible? How did you achieve success? तपाईले कसरी सफलता हासिल गर्नुभयो? How did you achieve success? भन्नुस् त How did you achieve success? र यी त थिए WH क्वेशन्स का केही उदाहरणहरू। WH क्वेशन्स का धेरै उदाहरणहरू सोध्ने र उत्तर दिने तरिका सहितका भिडियोहरू यही हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु च्यानलमा पाउनुहुनेछ। आजै सब्स्क्राइब गरेर ती भिडियोहरू नछुटाउनुहोला। अब केही yes no क्वेशन्स का पनि उदाहरणहरू हेरौं। Is this your vest? के यो तपाईको गन्जी हो? Is this your vest? Am I your best friend? के म तपाईको सबैभन्दा असल मित्र हुँ? Am I your best friend? Was Ram present yesterday? के राम हिजो उपस्थित थियो? Was Ram present yesterday? Do you like Nepali music? के तपाईलाई नेपाली संगीत मन पर्छ? Do you like Nepali music? Does your sister work in a bank? के तपाईकी दिदी अथवा बहिनी बैंकमा काम गर्नुहुन्छ? Does your sister work in a bank? Did you go anywhere yesterday? के तपाई हिजो कतै जानुभयो? Did you go anywhere yesterday? Have you ever been to Thailand? के तपाई कहिल्यै थाइल्याण्ड जानुभएको छ? Have you ever been to Thailand? Has your brother lost his keys? के तपाईको दाइ वा भाइले साँचो हराउनु भएको छ? Has your brother lost his keys? Can you cook? के तपाईलाई पकाउन आउँछ अथवा के तपाई पकाउन सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you cook? Will you go to market tomorrow? के तपाई भोलि बजार जानुहुन्छ? Will you go to market tomorrow? यसरी is, am, are, do, does, did, have, has, can, will जस्ता auxiliary verb अथवा सहायक क्रिया को प्रयोग गरेर हामी yes no questions बनाउँछौं। यी शब्दहरूलाई लिएर yes no questions बनाउने तरिका के हो त? यस्ता प्रश्नहरूलाई कुन अवस्थामा कसरी सोध्ने, यी प्रश्नका उत्तर कसरी दिने, यी सबै विषयका बेग्ला बेग्ला भिडियो यही च्यानलमा पाउनुहुनेछ। सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोस् र ती भिडियोहरू नछुटाउनुहोस् र आजलाई बिदा पाऊ।